on my way to the Vietnam embassy to get my visa. Gotta cross over Ko Shu Kaido. I decided it was easier to go over the pedestrian overpass and go all the way to the intersection, but that means I have to carry the bike. I'm at the Vietnam embassy right now. You can see it in the background. It says no photos, so I'm going to put the camera away. I noticed there's a sign that says I have to go around to the side entrance for my visa. So let's see what happens. No parking lot, so I'm going to just have to leave my bike locked at the side of the street by the entrance. Let's just see what we have here. I don't want to take a video inside, but just a quick peek. Go up these stairs. I think there's a waiting room upstairs. Well, I got my visa for Vietnam. This is not the visa, this is just a receipt. I'm not going to show you the visa. 2 hours later and $10,000 yen less, and I'm ready to go to Vietnam. Next step is Cambodia. Don't know if I'll have time to actually get all the way to Cambodia, but it's better to be prepared. So I'm on my way to the Cambodia embassy. This is the Cambodia embassy, the compound with the big tree in front of it. Inside it looks like it's a nice little garden, and there's a line outside. Once again, no parking in front of the embassy and no bicycle lot nearby, so I'm doing illegal parking on the street again. I'm inside the Cambodian embassy compound. I got my visa for the Kingdom of Cambodia, so I've taken the next step on my trip of the Mekong River Valley. Next step is to finish packing up, get on an airplane, and go. Getting ready for my trip to Vietnam, and the unique thing about this trip is I'm taking this bike with me. It means it's got to go on buses and trains and be shipped. So I got two issues. One, well, first of all, I'm going to put the bicycle in this box. So the first issue is it doesn't fit as it is. So I'm going to have to dismantle it, take it apart. The other issue is that this box is too big. This is a box I got from a local bike shop. They get shipments in every week or so, and they don't need the box. So first thing I need to do is I need to cut this bicycle. I need to cut this box down the size so that it'll meet the requirements for the airlines and the buses. Now, the airline I'm going on is Vietjet Air, and they say that the maximum size is 119 centimeters. And this box is considerably larger. It is 136. I'm going to need to cut off at least probably about 20 centimeters just to be safe. And the other issue is that if I take this on the bus, the limousine bus to Narita Airport, their maximum size is 109 centimeters. So that means I have to cut off even more of this box. see, even with the pedals off and the handlebars. Whole setup still is longer than 119 centimeters. So it looks like I'm going to have to take my handlebars off and turn my fork backwards and take the rack off as well, and then it should fit okay. So this is how it all fits. Got the wheels in there, my bike bag, everything's, all the greasy stuff is covered. Now all I have to do is cut down the box to the right size, tape it back together, and it's ready for me to pack my other stuff in there. There's still going to be plenty of room, so I can probably put some of my clothes in there as well, and my panniers. I got everything in there. I mean, I got the whole bike in there. I put it in my rinko bukuro, my bike bag. I just thought it'd be a good idea, help keep everything else clean. There's enough room to put my panniers in there and maybe a couple other things. So I think I'm pretty much ready to go.